Hi, boys and girls. This is Miss Garcia, and I would love to share with you the book titled Maisy Goes to the Library. So, my job is to take care of the books, and the library is a place where you can go and to check out books that you get to borrow and eventually take back to your classroom. Until you can do that in your classroom, um, we can check out books from an app called Sora. That's our online library. So Maisy Goes to the Library by Lucy Cousins. Maisy likes going to the library. She loves to read a book in a nice, quiet place. Today, Maisy wanted to read a book about fish. She found a blue book about birds, and she found an orange stripy book about tigers, but no fish. So Maisy kept looking. There are lots of other things to do in the library, too. You can use the computer, listen to music, make copies of your favorite picture, and look at fish in the aquarium. We don't have an aquarium in our library, but that would be really cool. Aquarium? That's it. So Maisy looked by the aquarium because who lives in the aquarium? Fish do. That's where she found a book about fish. It was sparkly. Maisy sat down to read her book in a quiet corner. Then Cyril and Tallulah came along. Tallulah made a funny face, and they started laughing. Then Eddie came in. So normally we can have our friends in the library too. Story time, he shouted. Ostrich was going to tell a story in the story corner, Maisy's quiet corner. There was an old woman who swallowed a fly, Ostrich began. Charlie started laughing. She swallowed a dog to catch the cat, Ostrich read. Now everyone was laughing. Woof, woof, meow. Look, they're having such a good time in the library. I love it. They were still laughing when they checked out their books and went outside to play. In the park, Cyril and Charlie pretended to be the old woman and her dog. Woof, woof. Tallulah meowed like a cat, and Eddie neighed like a horse. Meow, neigh. And Maisy read her sparkly book about fish in a nice, quiet place. So that makes me think, what kind of book would you like to read about this year? Be thinking about that so we can, so you can draw a picture for me in Seesaw. So I'll give you instructions soon.